Well, I've got to talk dirty about my dog Shasta today. See, this is my zipper for my jacket. And she must have gotten bored today because she ate through my zipper from here to here. And part of my jacket. So what do you have to say about yourself? Why did you eat my jacket? Why do you have your ears back? Why are you shaking, Shasta? Why did you eat my jacket? Here, let me show you my jacket. Let's see what Shasta does when I show her my jacket. Why did you eat my jacket? Hey, Shasta. Why did you eat my jacket? Hey, look at me. You, hey, you. Why did you eat my jacket? You're the guilty party here. You ate my jacket. How am I supposed to zip up my jacket when it's cold outside? You don't even want to give me your paw. You're like, hand it to me and take it back. Are you sorry? Are you sorry for eating my jacket? Well, you know what? That don't give me another jacket. Shasta, why did you eat my jacket? What happened? Why you eat my jacket? You ate a hole in it and you ate the zipper. You're gonna go hide in the corner and you're gonna sit there and shake. Why did you eat my jacket? Don't just stare at it. You got some way of fixing it? Look at her, she is scared. She is shaking. Why are you scared of me? Huh? I haven't done nothing to you. Oh, Shasta, you okay? You having a tantrum? You mad at me? Huh? You mad at me? You got some tears in your eyes? Did you cry a little bit? You okay? You feel better now? Knowing that I know about your escapade with my jacket? Huh? You okay? What's going on? What turned you on to my jacket today? I'm now here parked at a rest area for probably about 15-20 minutes trying to figure out what the heck's going on here. And Shasta knows that she fucked up. Yeah, look at her. She's trying to beg for forgiveness. Let me show you this jacket one more time. Hey, you. Why you eat my jacket? You ruined my jacket. Now I have to order another one. And I just bought this one about 2-3 weeks ago. Yeah. It was a brand new jacket. Brand spanking new. And you ate it. I had a big moth in my truck. Maybe I need to stick mothballs in my clothes and jackets and stuff to where Shasta can't get a hold of them. Oh, you might eat those too. Alright, well, now that the whole world knows that Shasta likes to eat zippers off of everything, yes, this is not your first time to eat zippers. I had a zipper on my pillowcase. She ate that. And then I replaced it with another zipper. And she ate that. Then I got some Velcro. And she ate that too. If there's anything attached to a pillowcase that's not supposed to be there, Shasta's gonna eat it. Oh, if there's any straps on a bag, so like I have a backpack. Now it's only a shoulder bag because Shasta decided to eat one of the straps off. Yep. If it's a strap, if it's a string, if it's anything like that, a seat belt maybe, Shasta might eat it if you're not paying attention to her. So, now Shasta, are you feeling better now? Alright, well, I'm sitting here in Missouri. I was taking a break, getting ready to let Shasta out for a bathroom break. And, yeah, I learned that my dog ate my jacket. What a shame. Let's go in here to Amazon, where I ordered this jacket from. And see from my orders. It's been just a little while. It's probably about a month ago that I ordered it, but I didn't get it until about 3 weeks ago. Here it is. I ordered it on November 8th. And it cost me $35. Look at that, I have to order me another one. What a shame. So at least this time, when I order it, I will order it one size smaller because it was a little big. And I will have it shipped there. Proceed to checkout. Ugh. So if anybody wants to send me something in the mail, I'm going to show my address one time, and I don't care if you call my work or whatever and report me for anything. They don't care. They know I'm on social media.